I'm Kara, and you're watching Hometalk.
I wanted to redo my dining room without spending hundreds of dollars. I found 6 chairs on Facebook Marketplace that were perfect for a makeover. I started by disassembling the seats of each chair. This is super easy to do by just unscrewing the seat from the underside of the chair. Because I was planning on painting the chairs, I first needed to give them a good sand. Using 220 grit paper, I used an orbital sander to sand off the original varnish of the chairs. Because I wanted to preserve the original caning, I then taped off the back before painting. To keep the modern design of the house, I chose to paint the chairs a matte black. I applied 2 coats and let them dry for 24 hours before moving to the next step. Now, this is a great time to redo the upholstery. I was happy to see the seat was in great condition, so this made my job a lot easier. I first snipped the strings holding the buttons, and then got to work on removing the hundreds of staples to loosen the fabric. Be careful when doing this step. It's easy to miss one and accidentally catch your finger. Once all the staples were out, I was able to remove the fabric and reveal the batting and the cushion. To cut costs, I'm using a heavy-duty drop cloth for my fabric. After washing and drying the cloth, I used the old cover as a pattern for my new upholstery. Because I have 6 chairs to do, this came out to about $2.50 a yard, which is much cheaper than normal fabric. Once the covers were cut, I secured them to each of the seat cushions. The most important part of the step is pulling the fabric tight before stapling. This creates a clean, polished look. This is sometimes easier done if you have somebody else to help. They can hold the fabric still while you go in with the staple gun and secure the fabric. If you're not lucky enough to have a DIY partner, you can easily do it yourself just like I did. Lastly, I folded in the corners, secured them with staples, and cut off the excess fabric. The less fabric you have on the bottom of the chair, the better. If it's not stapled down, then definitely cut it off before reattaching the chairs. This will make for more of a snug fit. I then reattached the bottoms with 4 screws, and my chairs were done. I am thrilled with how these turned out. I can't even believe this is the same dining room. The matte black paint keeps the room modern, and the caning adds a natural element. I hope this project inspired you to make over a Facebook find of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.